May is done, and honestly, this might be my favorite income report yet. We are talking about real numbers and a brand new product drop, and I'm going to be completely honest with you about what summers on TPT actually look like, because it's not what you may think. And I'm also sharing my goals for the rest of the year and something new I'm trying this summer that I'm super excited about. So stay with me, there is a lot in this video. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Rachel from the Behavior Check-In, and I am a K-12 behavior specialist, and I help teachers with real strategies for real classrooms. I also happen to be a TPT creator, and today we're doing my May income report. So today was literally my last day of school. Like, I came home, I took a nap. That is why it's dark right now. But I really wanted to get this video out there because I have a lot to talk about. May was a good month. And more importantly, I want to talk about what I'm doing this summer, because summer on Teachers Pay Teachers is actually really strategic if you do it right, and it will help your store out in the fall. So make sure you stick around with me through this whole video, because I'm going to break down my real numbers and compare them to last year and talk about where I'm headed with my store. I also want to share something new with you that I'm trying this summer that I am actually really excited about. So let's jump in and take a look at my May numbers. Sales came in at $730 and my earnings afterwards was $584. Now, for context, April was $523, so that was 11% increase over the month, and I will 100% take that. Here's the number I really want to highlight though. May of last year in 2025, I earned $439. So over that year, I'm up 33%, which to me is really meaningful growth. And I really want to highlight that because we celebrate our wins around here. My year to date right now is sitting at just under $3,000, and I did make $3,700 in total sales. And the store is currently at a 5-star rating with 78 reviews and 674 followers, sitting at the 96th percentile. I want to be really transparent with you. I'm not one of those creators making 5 figures a month on TPT. My store averages anywhere between $500 and $800 a month, but I'm growing consistently. If that's the kind of content you're here for, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because I do this every single month and I'm not going anywhere. So let's get into my new product release for this month. I'm super excited about it. This month, I added something to my store because it was timely, and I'm actually really proud of it, and I think it's something that could really benefit teachers. I built and launched an ESY compliance and data tracker. If you're not familiar, ESY stands for Extended School Year. It's a summer program for students with IEPs who qualify. And if you're a case manager running ESY, you know that compliance piece is definitely no joke. Attendance, service minutes, goal progress, you have to track all of it. So I built a tracker that does it for you. It has 6 tabs, auto-calculating formulas, and works in both Google Sheets and Excel. You can plug in your students and it just runs. If you're interested in it, it is in my TPT store and I will link it in the description. If you're heading into ESY, you're going to want to go ahead and grab it now. And I also made a whole video on it last week talking about it and talking about ESY. I want to be really honest with you about something. Summer is usually super slow on TPT. Like, it just really is. And my cat's meowing and I'm really sorry. Last June, I earned $182. Last July, $196. Compare that to May's $584 and you can see what I mean. When teachers aren't in school, they're not shopping for classroom resources, and that's just a reality. I wouldn't expect them, honestly, to shop for resources. But here's how I think about summer. And this is the shift that I think really helps me mentally, because it can be a real shock to the system to see that huge drop. Summer isn't when I sell, summer is when I build. I'm going to say that again. Summer isn't when I sell, summer is when I build. And I want to walk you through exactly what that looks like for me. So my summer strategy. Here's what I'm actually doing this summer, and I want to be like super specific because I think the more details you can have, the more useful it is. Number 1, my big focus is new products for the fall. Back to school is one of the biggest traffic windows of the entire year on TPT. Like nothing else comes close to it. So I want to have high quality new products ready to go before August hits. I'm not just throwing things up. I want to have real intentional products that match where my brand is going and what my buyers are looking for. Number 2, I'm going to go in and revamp older listings. I have products in my store that are solid, but they're older and they don't match my current brand aesthetic. So I'm going to go through and update thumbnails, previews, images, descriptions, making everything look more cohesive and like my brand. This also means I'm going to go in and check for keywords. I'm going to be making sure that my SEO is optimized, and that stuff really matters more than people realize. Number 3, this is a biggie, batching content. I know myself. When I go back to school in the fall, I'm going to be absolutely exhausted. I'm going to be stressed. I'm not going to want to film. So I am filming ahead. I am batching videos now so that when back to school season hits, I already have my content ready to go and I can promote everything I've built without burning out, stressing out, and missing things like a really big opportunity deadline because I'm just too tired. If you want to see how that content strategy plays out, make sure you subscribe and you get the notification bell when you subscribe, because those videos are coming this summer and into the fall and you're not going to want to miss those. I also want to tell you something that I'm trying this summer. This is very new for me. I'm being very vulnerable, but I'm excited and I think it's time. I am launching a workshop. It's called Behavior Before the Bell. Here's the deal. I've been wanting to create a space where I can actually talk to teachers, not just a post or a video and then it just disappears. Like actually connect, answer questions in real time, have a conversation about behavior systems, what works, what doesn't work, strategizing together as a community. So I'm doing a workshop this summer and it's going to be formal enough to be useful, but I'm doing a real presentation that I want to keep personal and intimate enough that we can actually talk and really address the things that matter. I want it to feel like you're in the room with someone who gets it, because you are. I want you to feel seen and heard. I'm also including some of my TPT resources for anyone who attends, because I want it to feel practical, not just a bunch of information getting thrown at you. I want you to leave with tools you can actually use. And I want to be clear about why I'm doing this. I'm not selling you a course on how to make money on TPT. That's not what I'm doing. I am a behavior specialist who also happens to create resources. So this workshop is all about behavior. It's about helping you set up your classroom systems before school starts so you are not scrambling in week 2 or week 3 or stressing out in October. If this sounds like something that you want, the link to everything I have going on, the workshop, my TPT store, coaching calls, it's all in one place, and it's in my pillar link, which I will link in the description and my bio. Go check it out if it's something you want to see or if it's a fit for you. If not, that's completely fine too. I just wanted to let you know that it exists. So let me talk about goals for a second. June is really off to a good start. It's definitely taking off more than it did last year. I already have $126 in sales, and knowing what I know about June last year, I'm hoping to at least match or beat that $182. Realistically, and that's my goal that I'm going to work for. The year, I'm at almost $3,000 in earnings through May. My goal is to hit 800 plus consistently every month, crossing over into the $1,000 by the end of 2026. That means fall has to be strong, and that's exactly why I'm spending my time building over summer. So I'm not here pretending like I have this all figured out. I really am learning as I go, just like a lot of you, but I'm consistent, I'm transparent, and I'm going to keep showing up here every single month and telling you exactly what has happened so you can compare. Hopefully you're doing well or you're even doing better than me, and that's awesome. Let me know below. I think it's great to have this community and discuss it, because the world of TPT can sometimes feel very secretive, and I think transparency is really important. And I want to say one more thing before I wrap up. I know a lot of you have found this channel because you're tired of TPT creators trying to sell you a course on how to make money on TPT, and I 100% hear you. That's my intentional part that I'm doing here. I'm not here to sell you on becoming a TPT seller. I have a behavior workshop, yes, but my content exists to help teachers. That's real. It's real strategies for real classrooms and talking about what's working and what's not working in classrooms. That's why you can support what I'm doing here for free. by liking and subscribing and sharing out these videos with a friend who might need it. And that's what generally helps my channel and keeps it going. And I appreciate everybody who has done that so far and supporting me on my journey. It really does mean so much. I really do appreciate every single one of you who watches, comments, and comes back every single month. It means more than you could ever know. Putting yourself on the internet is really scary, so having people come and support you just means the world to you. As my May income report, link to everything is below in the description. ESY tracker, my TPT store, behavior before the bell workshop, all of it lives down there and in my pillar link. Drop a comment and tell me, are you a TPT seller? What is your summer strategy looking like? I genuinely want to know and hear what you're up to. I will see you next month for the June report. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. And I'm so glad that we made it through another school year. Thank you so much for coming, and I will catch you in the next one.